Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sean from Seattle Coffee Gear and today we're talking about Soupy espresso pucks. Have you ever gone to knock your puck after pulling a shot of espresso and found that the puck had a layer of water over top, and when you knocked it out, it kind of collapsed instead of knocking out clean and dry? We're going to be talking about solutions to that in this video. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We've got lots of coffee tips, tricks, education videos, and machine reviews that we want to be sure you can see. There are few things more satisfying after pulling a perfect shot of espresso than knocking a dry, well-formed puck from your portafilter. So what causes it to be soupy? A dry puck is formed when the three-way solenoid valve in our machine pulls water out of the puck and delivers it to the drip tray. A soupy puck is caused when that process has some hurdles that it needs to overcome. Our three-way solenoid works by leveraging the pressure that was applied to the espresso, and when we use our release valve, it pulls the water back and down to our drip tray. So when there are hurdles in that process, we are left with water on the puck rather than pulled off and siphoned to where it belongs. Some of the most common hurdles that I see from my customers are a need for a grind size adjustment, a dose adjustment, or leveraging tools properly to help out with the brewing process. Starting off with the need for a grind adjustment, sometimes our soupy pucks are caused when our grind is a little too fine. The finer material makes it harder for the vacuum built by the solenoid to pull the water off of the top of the puck. There's just too much resistance for the water to go through. A solution here would be to make your grind size perhaps a touch coarser so the water would flow more evenly away from the puck. A warning about this method: if you like how your shot is pulling and how it tastes, changing the grind size definitely will impact the flavor. So if everything is good and you like it, maybe look onto the other strategies for your next step. In strategy number 2, we're going to be adjusting our dose or finding a basket size that's appropriate for the dose we're using. If we are underdosing our basket, our coffee is down low, far from the shower screen that's up above. The shower screen is where the water travels through to get to the solenoid to get to our drip tray. So if there's this big distance here, it's going to have a harder time pulling that water away. If we were to increase our dose, the coffee level is much higher, allowing the water to be pulled off more easily. Say we really like our espresso shot the way it is, that's no problem. We just need to use a smaller basket size. Using a smaller basket, say a 14-gram basket instead of the stock 18-gram basket that comes with most machines, we will keep our coffee dose the same, but just raise the bottom, so everything is going to be nice and close and easy for the siphon system to pull the water away. The final way, and the most effective for fixing soupy pucks, is leveraging our tools, specifically a puck screen. Using a puck screen, the water distributes across the top and presses through, but after the shot is done and the pressure is released, it's not sitting in the espresso but on top of the puck screen, so it's easily pulled away with no extra effort, and it's left me with a dry puck every time. Ultimately, are soupy pucks the end of the world? No. If I like the espresso I'm brewing, I can sometimes deal with a little bit of mess. However, if I'm looking for a good way to knock a clean, dry puck right into the knockbox every time, these strategies are what have worked for me. How well did these methods work for you? Is there anything you think we missed? Please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing new tips and tricks, and sometimes we'll feature those in the next video. In the description below this video, you'll find links for all of the products featured, as well as a sign up for our email newsletter. In that newsletter, you'll find all the coffee tips, tricks, brewing ideas, and education content like this. As a thank you for signing up for that newsletter, we will offer you a 10% discount on any one item. There are some restrictions with that discount, so be sure to reach out to our sales team, either online, over the phone, or in person at one of our retail stores. Thank you so much for watching. Keep making coffee you love.